Seconds to go. Start. Through his life, Rahul Gandhi has always been the strongest proponent of politics of purpose. Over the years, he has lent his voice to a number of issues but has always remained focused on propagating nonviolence, equality, and justice. He has imbibed these virtues through a lifelong thrust with Indian politics and history and has developed a keen understanding of the Indian social fabric. Having experienced the pain of losing both his father and grandmother to acts of violence and hatred, Rahul Gandhi has always been a champion of Gandhian philosophies of ahimsa and truth. Born on 19 June 1970, Rahul Gandhi spent his early childhood between Delhi, the political center of India, and Dehradun, to a town in the valley between the Himalayas and Shivaliks. He began his undergraduate career at Delhi's St. Stephen's College before moving to Harvard University in the USA. In his second year, Rahul transferred to Rollins College in Florida due to security threats following his father's, the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. Rahul Gandhi graduated with a bachelor's degree in 1994. The year after, he obtained his MPhil from Trinity College, Cambridge. Rahul began his professional career with the Monitor Group, a management consulting firm based out of London. He was adamant on creating a professional career before joining politics. He soon returned to India and set up his own technology consultancy in Mumbai, where he led his team as the director. The influence of his work in the management and technology sector is apparent in his political learnings. Rahul was always been a strong proponent of harnessing the skill and dexterity that technology can lend while amplifying the power of India's greatest asset, her citizens. The call to serve our nation and to be an instrumental part of her growth came to Rahul Gandhi in 2004. He chose to stand from his father's constituency and continue the legacy of serving the people of Amethi in Uttar Pradesh. Rahul won his first election with an overwhelming margin of 2,90,853 votes, a testament to the faith placed by the people of his constituency in him. From the beginning, it was apparent that Rahul believed that our nation's future lies with her people. Through the ebbs and flows of a decade long political career, Rahul has held true to the very principles that won him the hearts of the people in his very first election. In 2013, Rahul Gandhi was elected as the vice president of the Congress party. Within the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi played the key role of challenging the party along the lines of Congress core principles. He tirelessly worked to democratize the student wing and youth wing of the Congress party and ensured a breath of fresh air entered the grand old party by encouraging young leaders to take up leadership positions. His pivotal role in shaping the party along Congress core values over his political career earned him the post of president of the Congress party in 2017. Under Rahul Gandhi's guidance, the Congress party has once again emerged as the voice of the nation. While he was president of the opposition party, Rahul Gandhi played a key role in raising the demands of various stakeholders of the country. He championed the rights of the poor and the marginalized. He led the battle against the ruling government on poorly implemented politics such as demonetization, Aadhaar, GST, and more. The vision of Rahul Gandhi and his strategy to fight the democratic battle with love and unity is what makes the Congress party the true representative of a united India. Going forward, he aims to put these principles into action by creating systems that provide India's citizens with the tools and opportunities they need to reach their full potential. Stop.